If you say to a Brazilian friend,
Estou vindo à sua casa.
to mean I'm coming to your house, oh, that sounds wrong. There is a blind spot between the verbs ir, to go, and vir, to come in Brazilian Portuguese that confuses even fluent speakers. Natalie, an Australian that studies Portuguese, captured this dilemma in a question that will change the way you sound in Portuguese.
Oi, Bia! Meu nome é Natalie e eu sou australiana. Você poderia dedicar um dos seus episódios para explicar quando usar indo e vindo, por favor? Existe uma diferença no uso deles em português e inglês? Obrigada!
Thank you very much for your question. Well, let's get straight to the secret. The difference between ir and vir depends on your location point. That's right, check it out. Right now, I'm in Curitiba. Yeah, this is my location. My friend is in New York. Pay attention to this. When a movement comes towards where I am right now, I'm going to use the verb vir. My friend has never come to Curitiba. Minha amiga nunca veio a Curitiba. When are you coming to visit me? Quando você vem me visitar? Oh, come on your next vacation. Venha nas próximas férias. Now, what if I talk about a place where I'm not? You know that I am in Curitiba, but if I want to talk about New York, should I use ir or vir? Exactly, ir. So, I went to New York 3 years ago. So now I am in Curitiba talking about New York. Eu fui a Nova York 3 anos atrás. I'm going there on my next vacation. Eu vou pra lá nas próximas férias. I plan to go with my family. Planejo ir com minha família. Notice how this changes the meaning. So if the movement is towards you, use vir. If it's anywhere else, use ir. Now, here's something most learners don't know. When someone calls your name,
Bea!
in English, you say, I'm coming. Yeah? But in Portuguese, the correct answer is estou indo. And why? Because you are moving away from where you are right now. Estou indo. Or even more common, tô indo.
Bea!
Tô indo. Tô indo. Now let's take this a step further. Imagine we are at a cafe. I'm going to a bookstore and I want you to come along. So I can say, vou à livraria. Quer ir comigo? Yeah, that makes perfect sense. We are both leaving the place where we are. Vou à livraria. Quer ir comigo? But Brazilians say this in a different way every day. We say, vou à livraria. Quer vir comigo? And why is that? Because vir in invitations creates a sense of togetherness. It's less about direction. It's less about going to the bookstore. It's more about coming along, more about connection. Vou à livraria. Quer vir comigo? Oh, vou ao shopping. Quer vir comigo? Temos uma festa no sábado. Quer vir com a gente? Got it? Now that you understand how to use ir and vir, the next step is to watch the lesson on how Brazilians use trazer and levar because they follow a similar logic. Click here and I'll see you there.